Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nagasha Dena, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so like right now. And I hope you're doing great. Hope you're doing fine. Yes, so in today's video, I'll be talking about the pink lip balm startup kit, and the pink lip balm business in general. So the pink lip balm business in Uganda is something that is something that is not generally new, but something that many people have picked up, and that's really a good thing. And of course, the market is there. The market is there, and I believe there's enough market for everyone to get something. So our pink lip balm looks like this, and this is our 1 liter. It comes in 1 liter, 500 ml, and 250. I don't have the 500 ml in stock right now, but this is how the 250 looks like. And I get this pink lip balm from Nigeria. Yes, the main reason why I get it from there is we don't have some of the ingredients in our country, and I thought about bringing those ingredients, but then I saw it was going to be something that is going to be hectic, so I decided to order a finished product from Nigeria. And what other thing? So the main reason why you would apply a pink lip balm is when your lips sometimes they're born dark, and then you want those pink lip balm, or they are not, but due to smoking or some other reasons that I may not know, they tend to be dark. So all you have to do is to buy this. Of course, you're not going to buy this because this is basically too big. You buy the pink lip balm, and then I'll apply. And then our pink lip balm is very effective. 7 days. Once you're consistent in using it, 7 days are enough for you to see change on your lips. So, and these pink lip balm are brought in on order. Yes, so all you have to do is you place an order for this pink lip balm, and then you have it in your hands after 1 week. So, and then after that, we have we have other packages as well, and this came in on order. Actually received it today, so it's ready for delivery. And she ordered these 10 grams bottles as well, and she wanted white lid and clear one. Yes, and she ordered 8 of these 10 grams tins. They're right here, 80 bottles are packed in there. So this order is ready for delivery. So basically the pink lip balm business is something that doesn't require a lot of things, which is a good thing, because all you have to do is to get money, order for this pink lip balm, and then the packages as well. I also have the squeeze tubes, so it depends on the packaging that you want. For her, she basically wanted preferred this ones for 10 grams, so it saves you from a lot of time and then overthinking, because it's something you're just buying, putting money there, you get your product, you package it, and that's it. So if you're interested, all you have to do is go to the comment section, let me know, or I'll put the link for my IG below as well. So in case you're interested, do so. And that's it. This is very easy, something that It's very easy to start up. And the market is there in Uganda. Yes, why not? And thank you for watching. And if you haven't, of course, subscribe, please do so. Let's meet in the next video.